10 2012 Ford Focus Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Amazon's best overall pick. Experiencing frustrating jerks, shuddering, or a persistent check engine light in your Ford Focus or Fiesta? It's time to tackle those transmission woes with Amazon's best overall pick, our premium transmission clutch actuator. Engineered to meet or exceed OEM standards, this direct fit replacement instantly resolves common issues like gear jumping and pesky P0902/P086 error codes. Crafted from durable, rigorously tested materials, it guarantees reliable, long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze, saving you hundreds in mechanic fees and getting your car back on the road smoothly within minutes. Restore your Ford's performance effortlessly. You even get 2 actuators, backed by a generous 12-month warranty and lifetime professional support for true peace of mind. Number 9. Ford Focus Fiesta DPS 6 Clutch Kit. Is your Ford Focus or Fiesta's transmission not feeling as responsive as it once did? Our premium DPS 6 Clutch Kit is the precise solution to restore that factory-smooth performance. Meticulously machined from high-grade cast iron, this kit not only meets, but often exceeds OEM specifications, guaranteeing exceptional stability and long-lasting durability for your Focus 2011 to 2018, Fiesta 2011 to 2019, and other compatible Ford models. You get a complete service kit, including the dual clutch drum, fork levers, and bearings, everything needed for a reliable, direct replacement. Engineered to perfectly align with your 6DCT2 50 DPS 66020000800 system, ensuring a hassle-free fit and a confident, factory-level drive once again. Number 8. Luck Clutch Kit for Ford Fiesta, Focus, EcoSport. Considering a clutch replacement for your Ford? Trust the Luck Repset 07-233, backed by over 30 years of OE expertise. This isn't just any replacement. It's precision engineered to meet stringent OEM performance specifications, guaranteeing a perfect fit and reliably smooth operation for your Fiesta 2011 to 2019, Focus 2011 to 2018, or EcoSport 2013 to 2017. What makes it truly stand out? It's a complete, hassle-free kit. You'll receive a new clutch, disc, all necessary release and pilot bearings, spline lubricant, and even the spline tools, simplifying installation. Built for durability, this Luck kit handles everyday driving and more demanding situations with ease, providing long-lasting performance you can depend on. Get back on the road with the confidence of Luck quality. Number 7. Ford DPS 6 Dry Dual Clutch Toolkit. Tackling a Ford DPS 6 dry dual clutch transmission on your Focus, Fiesta, or Transit Connect. Our specialized toolkit is your absolute must-have. Engineered for precise removal and installation, this professional-grade kit empowers you to efficiently service the transmission, saving you substantial costs compared to a full DCT clutch assembly replacement. Forget complex procedures. Its intuitive design allows you to easily respring and reinstall clutches, simplifying what's often a daunting task. Crafted from robust, high-precision steel for lasting durability and accuracy, it ensures reliability job after job. Complete with a portable case and gloves, you're equipped for success, confidently and cost-effectively. Number 6. Ford Volvo Focus DPS 6 Double Clutch Tool. Tackling your Ford or Volvo DPS 6 transmission just got easier and more affordable with our Ford Volvo Focus DPS 6 Double Clutch Tool. Designed as a direct, high-quality replacement for the FM 307675, this isn't just another tool. It's your smart, budget-friendly alternative to costly OEM options, guaranteed to fit perfectly. Engineered by professionals and rigorously engine-tested, you'll find its accuracy matches OEM specifications, often boasting enhanced durability thanks to its heavy-duty, anti-corrosion steel construction. Whether you're disassembling a dry transmission, precisely aligning a twin clutch, or changing an oil seal, this tool simplifies the task. Save significant money and time, confidently tackling essential repairs knowing you have a reliable, long-lasting solution in your hands. Number 5. Ford DPS 6 Clutch Reset Tool. Tackle Ford DPS 6 clutch issues with professional ease using our specialized clutch reset tool. Frustrated by complicated procedures? Our tool simplifies the process, Just insert the precision 3/8-inch Dr. X 14 ribs design, turn counterclockwise, and effortlessly release the clutch lock. It's that straightforward. Engineered for wide application, this indispensable tool is fully compatible with Ford's 6-speed dry dual-clutch DPS-6 transmissions across models like Fiesta, Focus, V-Max, and EcoSport. Crafted from high-hardness, heat-treated carbon steel, it promises exceptional durability, resisting corrosion, and wear for reliable, long-term performance. Get your vehicle back on the road confidently. Questions? We're always here to ensure your satisfaction. Number 4. Ford Focus DPS-6 DCT Reset Tool. Is your Ford Focus or Fiesta's DPS-6 transmission causing you grief with shuddering, gear jumps, or that dreaded check engine light? Our specialized DPS-6 clutch reset tool is your direct path to restoring smooth performance. Expertly designed with a 6mm, 14-tooth spline, this premium carbon steel tool simplifies unlocking your dual clutch. Just insert, turn counterclockwise, and in minutes you'll clear frustrating codes like P0902/P086. Compatible with 2011 to 2019 Fiesta, 2012 to 2018 Focus, and more, it offers an OEM-quality direct fit, saving you hundreds on garage visits. Empower yourself to fix issues and get your vehicle running flawlessly again. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, you're investing in true peace of mind. Number 3. 6 DCT 250 DPS 6 Dual Clutch Drum for Ford Focus Fiesta. Is your Ford Focus or Fiesta's transmission feeling sluggish? Revitalize your ride with our premium 6 DCT 250 DPS 6 Dual Clutch Drum. Engineered specifically for Ford Focus, 2011 up, Fiesta, 2012 up, B-Max, and EcoSport, this isn't just a replacement. It's an upgrade in reliability. Crafted from high-quality, precision machined metal, it guarantees superior durability and a perfect OEM fit, ensuring your transmission operates as smoothly as it did new. You'll appreciate the confidence of a dependable, high-performance clutch. Plus, with its professional manufacturing, installation is straightforward, empowering you to get back on the road sooner. Double-check your model and year, then experience the difference a quality clutch makes. Number 2. 2011 to 2018 Ford Focus 2.0 L Program TCM. Tired of inconsistent shifts or power loss in your 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus 2.0 L? Revitalize your drive with our precisely programmed TCM. Engineered for superior performance accuracy, this unit, a direct replacement for AE8Z7Z369F, A2C307-43100, and more, ensures immediate, smooth acceleration and a truly responsive feel. You'll experience your Focus performing exactly as it should, without hesitation. Crafted from robust, premium materials, its durable construction promises longevity and unwavering reliability, tackling daily wear and tear for a lasting solution. And because we stand by our quality, your purchase includes a reassuring 1-year insurance. Get back the confident, consistent drive you deserve. Number 1. Ford 6 DCT 250 DPS 6 Clutch Kit. Is your Ford's transmission feeling sluggish? Restore its original performance with our Ford 6 DCT 250 DPS 6 Clutch Kit. Engineered as a direct OEM replacement, DPS 6 DCT 250. This kit offers a perfect fit for your Fiesta, 2013 to 2018, Focus, 2012 to 2018, EcoSport, and other compatible models. Crafted from premium, high-temperature resistant metals, it's built for exceptional durability and a long service life, ensuring unwavering reliability mile after mile. Experience factory-smooth gear changes and precise clutch engagement thanks to its robust double clutch fork function. This comprehensive package includes the pressure plate, clutch disc, bearing, release fork, and ring, everything you need for a thorough, lasting repair. Reclaim your responsive, enjoyable drive today. So, that sums up my 2012 Ford Focus transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,